AI is killing some creative jobs, but others got raises as high as 56%. Here's what several industry data sets reveal. 60% of creative freelancers report job security concerns as AI floods the market, but others are making a hefty premium because of it. These aren't net new jobs. They're your jobs, evolved. Instead of competing with AI, you're just directing it. And this is happening right now. AI-enhanced creative roles are amongst the fastest growing in the market. Here's why this isn't as scary as you might think. Your creative skills transfer. Creative vision, technical problem solving, and storytelling, that's your foundation. AI just becomes another tool in your pipeline. Just look at the data. Framestore is paying up to $130K for VFX artists who learn AI tools. Pika Labs wants prompt artists from fashion, photography, and fine arts backgrounds with top roles reaching $149K in premium markets. AI content creator positions are showing 123K plus ranges. The same creative foundation, but premium pay significantly higher than the same roles without AI skills. The titles changed, AI workflows got layered in, and the market started paying more for the same creative DNA. This shift is happening now. Creatives who adapt their workflows are pulling ahead in massive ways while several traditional roles are stalling out. Freelancers competing only on outputs are stuck in a race to the bottom, underpricing each other just to land work. But creatives who design and direct AI-infused workflows are commanding real premiums. The question isn't whether AI will shape creative work, it's whether you claim your spot before someone else does. The time is now. Here's what you do next. Number 1, find your nearest bridge. Roles closest to what you already do today. Number 2, spot your gaps, the tools and workflows that you don't have yet. And number 3, close the distance. One skill, one project, one course, start now. Confused on what those roles and education pathways might be for your specific creative discipline? DM me. I've spent my career talking to thousands of artists learning to use new technology, and I'm here to help. Lead AI, don't chase it.